RIFA Textile was established in August 1993. The headquarters is located in the best textile machinery manufacturing base, Zhejiang, which had already begun with the prospect of becoming a smart international company and the mission of providing single equipment, workshop section, workshop, and combined production lines applied in industrial processing for clients engaged in electromechanical products manufacture, devoted to digital sci-tech in electromechanical industry, to create a manufacturer of textile equipment with high reputation in technology and market. Today's RIFA benefits from time's fostering, rely on advanced technology, excellent team, shift management, developed successfully 7 series of double twister, rotor spinning machine, compact spinning machine, circular knitting machine, jet loom and gripper loom, seamless underwear machine, etc. have been devoted market of cotton spinning, wool spinning, silk spinning, remy spinning, and mixed spinning. Hundreds of products, RIFA had stable cooperation with Shandong Zhejiang Textile Company Limited, Lutai Textile Company Limited, Sunfilm Textile, Younger Textile Group, selling more than 30 countries, such as India, Pakistan, Bengal, Egypt, South Korea, Thailand, Turkey, Russia, USA, Indonesia, etc. Listed more than 10 years gradually in national textile industry in economy and comprehensive competitive ability. The RIFAnese with creative mind understands the quality as our dignity. For grasping the leading edge of textile machinery industry, step in synchronization with the world by oneself. Using United States PTC software, bring in international first-class process and inspection equipment, building professional testing labor room groups, implementing the whole procedure quality control. RIFA had developed a strategic cooperation with German Siemens, French Schneider, Switzerland Lepke, Switzerland Habisit, German Rexroth, etc. We also had powerful authorities combination with Chinese Academy of Sciences and Zhejiang University, Donghua University, etc. from talents, dug into practice rationalization and ClMS project, research and develop new fruits in textile machine areas generation after generation. Based on RIFA's leading position of textile machines in industry, surrounded Horn to enter the international high-end market.
Rooted in China, global radiation.
We has been devoted to creating new digital sci-tech theory to establish an interactive platform to open the furthest communication channel, develop the most favorable win-win cooperative partners to establish a flat and wide digital commercial order. Let us achieve the real people, material, and information platform to realize the harmony and utility of sci-tech, environment, and manufacture. We will be marching forward towards the object of building our company into an informational international machinery manufacturing base with rapid reaction. Innovation, progress, team, a relentless vitality of must-have spirit, which pretty RIFA's textiles demeanor. It pulls out power of RIFA for promoting Chinese textile industry, is responsible China Textile Machines to reputate in the world. It publishes RIFAnese weaves hundreds of RIFA brand dreaming with practical digital technology road.